All right, we're gonna put the edging across now. So get your edge tape, primer side towards operator. From here, you've got one guide, second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth. They all need to be set. So if you forget one of 6, you're gonna have a bad time. So starting with the first, clip lock handle, release back. So the idea with this is to remove any slack if you have edge tape curled up quite extensively like this. But first, if you come around, I'll show you these 2 guides here. So we'll leave this one out for the moment. Release, up, down, touching, come back a smidge. Make sure your edge tape moves freely. Repeat for the second one. Again, release, touch, come back a smidge. And I'm not talking about 1 mil, I'm talking about very little, enough so the edge tape moves freely. After that, I can set this, or you could probably do it at the end to prevent any scratching. So let's do that. From there on to here, if you come around the other side, you've got this roll here. What this roll does is it pushes the edge tape towards the glue. So you get glue on the inside of your edge tape. So let's feed this across all the way. You can see it's starting to touch, so you want to bring it in closer, just as it's touching ever so gently. Mileage will vary depending on edging. After that, we got the last 2. Same principle as all the other ones. Touching, come back a smidge, lock it off before we start melting the edge tape. Bring this one across here and you can see it's just a smidge above. So, release, adjust to its touching, come back, lock it off. Now, what I'll do is I'll just snip this off because we don't need it. Point towards this way for me, please. Perfect. So, edge tape now will feed through nicely. And what we're doing is we're just bringing it to the guillotine right inside there. After that, I'm gonna lock this off nicely. Edge tape is not rolling back. Perfect.